last 30 years I've been asked, Christian, what's the number one tip you would give to somebody that's getting into the automotive business? Well, far and away, that number one tip would be this. Don't think about getting into the business. Don't kind of get into the business. Get into the car business. As a matter of fact, don't do it for 30 days or 90 days or even 6 months. Commit for 1 full year. Burn the bridges down. Make that commitment. When you make that commitment, you'll jump in with both feet into the deep end of the car business. And when you do that, you're going to go ahead and you'll do some things and you'll go ahead and make some commitments and investments to your career. They're going to be invaluable for you to be able to reap some benefits down the road. I mean, who wants to go ahead and prospect for people they're going to be buying in 6 months if you only think you're going to be trying this business for, say, 3 months? And many times that's the way this works. The things you do today, the seeds that you plant today, they're going to grow and you're going to go ahead and be able to reap those maybe 6 months to a year from now. So whenever you jump in and then you decide to jump out real quick, you're not only doing yourself a disservice, you're doing the dealership a disservice, your family a disservice, the whole car industry a disservice. So make sure you jump into the business, get in it, stay in it for at least 1 year. If you do that and you put your head down and work hard, I promise you, you will be successful in this business.